Samsung Galaxy S10 owners, it's your day today. Today we'll be looking at 9 amazing apps that will help you make the most out of this brand new phone. As always, you can find links to these apps in the description below. This is Abhijit from Guiding Tech, and let's get right to it. Kicking off the list is a great browser app that is designed specifically for one-handed use. While Samsung's One UI and stock apps have also received a similar overhaul, the stock browser still isn't perfect, and reaching its address bar requires you to do some crazy thumb gymnastics. This makes the O browser a must-have on your device. All of the browser's buttons are located close to the chin, making it quite easy to use with just your thumb. Even for those of you who have small hands, this won't be a problem. Not only that, the browser is also great if you're serious about your privacy, as it requires minimal permissions. It also has a dark mode, which is one reason I use it all the time. Next up is Snapseed, an amazing photo editing app from Google. It's true, the Galaxy S10 takes some amazing shots, but with Snapseed, you can take these shots to a whole new level. Now, Snapseed is one of the best image editors I've used so far. It packs in a bunch of tools, filters, and effects, using which you can make all your photos Instagram worthy. It even supports raw images, which makes it a must-have for those of you who are planning to use the Pro mode on your Galaxy S10. Now, while Snapseed is great for image editing, it isn't any good for videos. For that, you can download Quick, a handy video editor with which you can edit your videos seamlessly. You can also string together a bunch of photos to make cool clips and add unique transitions and graphics to them. Quick offers 23 impressive themes packed with a variety of transitions and graphics to help you spruce up your videos. Speaking of videos, is your WhatsApp always flooded with annoying forwards? Well, then the next app on our list is for you. Files by Google is a great file management app that makes use of machine learning to identify the content in your storage. It can identify duplicate photos, big files, and unnecessary junk like forwards, and allows you to delete them with a single tap. It does all of this unsupervised and just sends notifications from time to time, suggesting what you can delete to clear up some space on your phone. Isn't that simple? Cleaning up junk is quite easy with files, but if you want a file manager that can help you organize stuff in your storage, then you should give Solid Explorer a shot. One of the main reasons I use Solid Explorer regularly is that it allows me to open two browser panels at the same time. This makes transferring files as simple as dragging them from one folder and dropping them in the other. No copy pasting required. On top of that, Solid Explorer also has a bunch of different sorting and viewing options, which allow you to customize how you see all the content in your phone's internal storage. The app's cool side panel is also pretty neat and allows you to quickly jump between folders, compress or archive files, transfer files via FTP, and much more. Do you travel a lot and need to keep a close eye on weather forecasts? Then this next app is for you. WeatherBug is a handy little app that does one thing, and it does it really well. It adds weather information onto the Galaxy S10's always-on display, which makes checking the weather as simple as glancing at the display. No need to even pick up the phone. All the weather information you need is right there on your screen at all times, even when you're not using it. Pretty convenient, I must say. The next app doesn't help you save time or space, it doesn't help you edit images or make using your phone easier, but it is quite unique at what it does. It's called Daily.io, and it helps you improve your mood. Yep, that's right. It keeps a track of your mood and activities on a day-to-day basis, which help you figure out what you need to spend more time on to feel good and what to stay away from. In today's day and age, mental health is of utmost importance, and I think that an app like this is exactly what some of us need to lift our spirits. But back to functionality. The SMS Organizer app from Microsoft, yes, Microsoft, is definitely a must-have, no matter what device you're using. The app is the best SMS client for Android hands down, and it's one of the few apps I install on every Android phone as soon as I take it out of the box. The app's ability to organize the inbox based on the type of message is something I value over everything else. It removes all promotional and transactional SMSs from the main inbox and doesn't even push notifications for these type of messages. Additionally, it includes features like reminders, swipe gestures, and account balance reports that come in really handy. Sadly, the app isn't available in all regions, so if you can't get it on your phone, you can check out Google's Messages app or Textra. They aren't as good, but definitely better than the stock Messages app. Next up is a cool wallpaper app called Hideyhole, which features some amazing wallpapers designed specifically for the S10's hole punch display. These wallpapers make easy work of hiding the cutout in plain sight, and they look great doing it. Pretty neat, right? Well, there's a lot more where that came from. Rounding it off is another great customization app that will allow you to change the look and feel of your S10's UI. Coming from Samsung's stable, GoodLock is an extensive customization suite that will let you customize a number of UI elements, right from the lock screen to the multitasking screen. I installed it on my Galaxy S10 as soon as I got my hands on the phone, and I have made so many changes that the UI is almost unrecognizable. In a good way, of course. You should definitely give it a shot. The app also has a tasker-like feature called routines, with which you can automate a ton of actions. Well, that sums it up. Do check out these apps on your Galaxy S10 and make sure to drop a comment down below letting us know which one of these you like the most. Do hit the like button if you liked the video, and do tell us what else you would want us to talk about when it comes to Galaxy S10. Well, there's Abhijit from Guiding Tech, and folks, I'll see you in the next one.